Hi everybody, my name is Gershan and your name is?
Yeah.
Hooray! And we're gonna be playing with this new toy from the last video. Right now, we're gonna put on the stickers.
Nice!
Now we're gonna put this sticker. Look, now we pressed it there. The next sticker is we're gonna put on over here, which is this one and this one. Like that. Do you like the sticker?
Yes.
Put it on the side over here. Yay! That's a nice sticker. Now we're gonna put these stickers on the either side of the flag.
I love it.
Put it. Good job.
Canadian.
Take the sticker and put it on the side over here. Look, right there. Okay, good job. We put the window sticker. Now we're gonna put the window like that. Yay! Hey guys, these are the marbles that we're gonna put in here. So let's open it. These are all the marbles.
Nice.
What color do you want to choose?
Blue.
You put it up here and drop it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at it go. So here, when we click the button, the ball's gonna go. We're gonna try to hit the target, alright?
And the ball will come there.
Yeah, and then the ball's gonna go all the way there, and then we're gonna press that button, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay! We hit the target. Here, so when we click the button, right, the ball's gonna pop out of here. It's gonna go in here, and then it's gonna go to the rocket. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Click it! Yay! Good job! Look at all the marbles. Here, pick one color. Put it up here. Put it up here. Now you click the button. Now you click the button. And the ball's gonna go. Alright, now click the button. Just click it. Amazing! Here, look, put this ball in.
Now you will put one.
Okay, put the ball in. Now click the button. Oh, look. Go for the next ball. Next ball. Here. Thanks for watching the video. Now you know how this toy is like, so you can get one for yourself.
And then play toy again.
Yeah, we're gonna play again in the next video. Bye.
Bye.